Meanwhile, JPS now needs less than $200 million to pay for the full restoration of the grid. The energy minister told Wednesday's special press briefing that $50 million was left in the emergency disaster fund.
I made a miscalculation, and overnight I was able to get it corrected. There's an application, Brother Desmond, at the OUR for the last $50 million in the emergency fund. So the figure is no longer 200 million. Overnight, it's $150 million, making it that much easier. So I had a discussion with the OUR this morning. The documentation is in front of them, and based on all that has happened, I don't see how an approval will not be given for the disbursement of that $50 million.